Hello students, today we learn and understand how to render our animation and what's the requirement of render, why we need to render our animation, what happen if our animation send without render. So what is the requirement of render and why we have to render our animation. See, when you complete your animation on Blender or Maya, any some kind of 2D and 3D interface. After that you have to render in video file format. So the video, so the animation is seems can say platform independent, means the animation can run anywhere, where whether the concerned person have the animated interface or software or not. Okay, I will go on Blender icon, click on Blender icon, see the first phase interface and choose 2D animation. Then I'll go on file, open recent ball animation blend. Okay, so here I can see different frames which already made it in this animation. So I'll go on right side icon, that icon is out. So I'll select on output. Here are some parameters. First parameter is resolution should be 1920 by 1080. Okay, so this is the parameter of resolution. Second parameter is as you see, fps means frame per second. It is the speed of my animation, at what speed my animation should be run. So I'll select 24 fps. 24 fps is the standard standard speed of animation. Okay, another criteria is frame frame range is starting frame is as you see, frame from start from one frame and end is 10 frame. Okay, so this is the frame criteria. Okay, another criteria is output is the place where I will store my animation. So here you may see c colon user desktop. Okay, so here I'll store my animation, and uh, the name of the animation is, so I can see c colon user access desktop, and this is the desktop. Output will store in this accept. Okay, so output will store. So I will type new ball. Okay, so new ball animation. Okay, and click on accept button, so it is accepted and stored as new ball, right? Another criteria is file format. I'll go on mpg4 file format. Okay, so in my videos render in this file format. Okay, another parameter is output quality. So I'll choose high quality. So I'll get my output in high quality. The resolution is seems in high quality. Okay, so there are some parameters regarding output. Then I'll go on render option. So I'll go on render option, select render animation, because my file is concerned with animation. So I'll go on render animation. So you may see the process of rendering is start. All frames are rendered one by one, as you can see on screen. Once the all frames are rendered, after that we can see the final output of render. One more important thing is that we shouldn't stop until unless our whole file are rendered. So we have to take some patience at the time of rendering. Okay, so the process is under process. I can see frame by frame. So my last frame is 104. It means my whole animation is rendered, all frames are rendered. Now I can see the final output on render. So I'll go on blender blender folder, and I can see the output on that animation. So this is my final output. You may see video file format. And after completion of my Blender process, rendering process, I'll go on my folder where the final file is stored. Okay, as you may see that there's a desktop, and go on Blender folder where my file is stored. Okay, this is the our file new. This is the actual file, rendered file, new ball animation. So this is the final video, rendered video. You may see it comes in video file format called new ball 001-0104 is my final video. Okay, so hope you understand and learn the importance of rendering and how to render the video. Okay, thank you for watching the video.